Hello, in this video I want to show you how to move Steam authentication guard code from your previous device to your new TCL 408 smartphone. And to do this, right here I have the smartphone with my previous account logged in. And what we want to do is to download Steam app on our new device and log in using normal credentials. Now there's two options to add the Steam guard code right here, and the first one is to approve the login on this phone right here. Other is that you will see the I don't have access to my previous device, and then click on that, and they will send you the message to the number that is bound to this account. You will need to enter it, and the Steam guard code should be automatically added to this device. Now let's approve it, and now we want to click on Add Authenticator, Move Authenticator. Here, wait till you receive a message to the number that is bound to this account, and you will need to enter it like this. Verify code. So now the Steam guard is activated on this device, and you can see the code right here. I would suggest to make a screenshot of it, as it might be necessary to enter this code in case you want to recover your account. So screenshot it and save it somewhere safe. Let's click on Done, and then now the Steam guard code is moved to this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.